Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So, we have got a set from Maisto. It's a team hauler. It's more like their premium version, like what we get team transport in Hot Wheels. And this one has got two Chevy trucks. This is a 1993 and this is a 1936. And a trailer obviously, looks like a custom. So, let's open it up, see what other details we can find out. From this it looks good, so I'm hoping it has got some even better details when I open up. So while I do that, if you haven't subscribed yet, you know what to do. So here are the two trucks and the trailer out of its packaging, and I must say they look good. And both of the trucks look custom, so does the trailer. Bear with me because I'm gonna review them the way they are parked. So the 93 truck first, then the trailer, and then the 1936 one. So the video might end up being longer than usual. So let's look at them one by one. Now let's get this truck here. So this one is a 1993 Chevy 454 SS, if I'm not wrong. Yes, it looks like it's custom, and it's pretty evident by the big hood you see here, which is obviously not standard. Also, this cover comes out. It's again good detail, let's say. So let's start from the front. Up front, you got nice details. You got Chevy badge. You got detailed headlamps, which look good. You also talk about the big bump you see here. So obviously, it's packaging a bigger engine. It's lowered, as you can see on the sides. Again, custom wheels here, like the wheels, and they are more like chrome you see on the American trucks, and they are rubber. Looks good. Even on the side, the paint quality is really good. I like the paint quality on this one. You can see the sponsor name, Wildwood. It's a regular bed truck, so two seats in the front, black interior. On the side, you got the 454 SS. Coming to the back, again good details here. You got the Chevy written back there. You got the tow hook. Obviously, actual truck doesn't have this big of a tow hook, but here it works. You got the bumper. Again, good details on the bumper. You can see it's steel, so you got that pattern. Bed is finished in red. Custom bed again. Now coming to the driver's side, looks almost identical as passenger. The only difference being the fuel filler cap. Also like how the door handles are detailed in black. So this truck looks really good, I'd say. Oh, I forgot to show you from the bottom. Again, yeah, it's something which surprises me that Maisto does screws, which is actually a good thing if you like to, detail your interior and stuff. Yeah, it's a good looking truck. Now let's move on to the trailer, which is carrying the other truck. So the trailer also carries the Wildwood disc brake written on the side and follows the same color scheme, which looks good. Wheels look like custom, and they are also rubber wheels. Again, good thing. You got the steel finish on the sides and on the front with the diamond pattern, which again looks good. I think this is for the lowering of the trailer. You got the marker lights on the top, on the side, and on the back again marker lights on the top. You got the tail lamps in the back. You got the handles to lock it, which is again good details on the trailer. And it does open up, and inside it's just a box trailer. Well, what else can you expect from it? Expect. I do like how they have just this wheel flare, I would say. Not the flare, fender. Normally it's fender, but I don't know. Here, I like how they've done it in silver. It looks good. You can see the small wheel here when you park the trailer. And also on the bottom, you got the detailed frame. It also says car trailer here. It looks good. Also like the pattern on the tires. I would say it's a good looking trailer. What do you think? So let's now move to the last part of the puzzle. The 1936 Chevy pickup. And obviously you can notice it's a custom truck. Big exhaust, big engine. but I like the detail on the front. You got detailed headlamp. You get like this classic white wall wheels up front. Looks really good. Like the radiator grill done in black. Again, it looks custom. The roof has been lowered. Even in this one, carries the Wildwood disc brake written on the side. Same paint job like the other truck, and the trailer looks good. I don't know if there's no rear window, or if they didn't do any details. I don't know, but there looks like a cutout for one. Like how it's all custom, so you can see this custom design. Tail lamps there too, detailed nicely. Custom bed. I also like the wheels, the white wall wheels. Obviously a different size up front and back. Interior, this one seems to be done in black, but the steering seems to be in chrome. I'm not sure how much, obviously not entire engine is chrome either, but it looks good. Doesn't look bad. It's a good looking custom truck. So overall, I would say it's a very nice set. Looks really good, and I like how everything is carrying the same paint scheme, so it looks like a custom truck. You take one truck racing, carry the older truck to do some stuff too. I forgot to mention the door on the side on the trailer here. You can see where the side enters too. Yeah, overall I really like this set. I saw this in Walmart and couldn't stop myself from getting one. Well, that's all what I think about this good looking set. Let me know what do you think about this one. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.